Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Low Carb with Jennifer, and today I'm going to take this bland cauliflower and I'm going to mix it with the cheese sauce, and it's going to be your new keto best friend because I know that you are craving macaroni and cheese and this is going to help. So let's get started. First thing we got to do is cut the florets off of the stem of the cauliflower, and I'm going to do that with a sharp knife. And you want to make sure and get the cauliflower florets as small as possible, but you don't want it to be like riced cauliflower. So I'm going to get these leaves off, and then I'm just going to go around the stem like so and cut the stem out. All right. Okay, we're going to get all of these leaves out, and then we can start making the cauliflower florets. Okay, I'm going to cut these off without making too big of a mess. Okay, there's our florets, but we want to make these even smaller because the smaller you have them, the more cheese it's going to get all up in the nooks and crannies of the cauliflower. So we're just going to chop them up. I put all of the florets into this pot because we're going to boil them until they're tender, and I'm going to add some salt, and then I'm going to fill the pot up with water to about halfway up the cauliflower. We're going to steam the cauliflower for about 5 minutes until it's nice and tender. Okay, my cauliflower is draining. And now we're going to make the cheese sauce. So we're going to heat up some heavy cream. And some cream cheese. We're going to melt that over low heat. And now that that is melted, we can add in the cheese. And the mustard powder. And we're going to let that melt. I'm going to turn off the heat. So we don't want it to get too hot because then our sauce will break. I'm just going to keep stirring until it all comes together. That looks perfect. Okay, we've got our cauliflower all drained. We've got our cheese sauce made, and now we're going to combine them. And we're going to add in some bacon. And then we're just going to stir it all together. Okay, let's serve some of this delicious cauliflower mac and cheese. And we're just going to garnish it with a little bit of leftover bacon. And that is all there is to it, to making a really creamy and cheesy cauliflower mac and cheese. You can find this recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.